Do you find yourself struggling to make ends meet with your current income? It's time to explore alternative sources of income that can help you achieve financial stability. One option is to tap into your skills and offer freelance services. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or web development, there's a market for your expertise. Consider turning your hobbies into a side business. If you love crafting, painting, or baking, why not sell your creations? If you have extra space in your home, consider becoming an Airbnb host or renting out a room for additional income. Another option is to start an online store. With platforms like Etsy or Shopify, you can sell products and reach customers worldwide. Are you knowledgeable in a particular field? Offer tutoring or teach an online course to share your expertise and earn extra money. Remember, finding alternative sources of income requires creativity and dedication. By exploring these options, you can increase your earning potential and improve your financial situation.